Did you know that during World War II, Italian commandos used some of the stealthiest secret weapons in naval history? Let's check them out inside Milan's massive Science and Technology Museum. See this dark green mini-sub with the big white Z? This is the infamous maiale, or human torpedo. Believe it or not, commandos didn't ride inside it. Two divers literally sat on top of it to sneak into enemy harbors at night and attach timed explosives directly to warships. Right next to it is the MAS, a legendary high-speed assault motorboat engineered for lightning-fast torpedo runs and sneak mine-laying operations. And finally, check out this massive armored naval gun turret from a real warship. If you love incredible military history and tech, smash that like button and subscribe for more. This is the Ansaldo Otto 90mm AA mount from the World War II Italian battleship Duilio. It is the only preserved example of its kind left on land today. The only other 12 to exist, they're sitting 1,000 meters underwater on the wreck of the battleship Roma. Talk about a rare piece of history. This is a full-scale reconstruction of an 18th century battleship's gun deck. These historic bronze cannons are mounted on four-wheeled wooden carriages designed to handle rough seas. Look at these thick ropes. They were crucial to stop the violent recoil after each shot. Imagine hundreds of men fighting in this dark, cramped space during battle.
take a look at the beautifully hand-carved stern of the historic Italian training ship, EB. Right in the center, her name is proudly displayed inside a golden rope border, flanked by two elegant wooden sea creatures. This incredible craftsmanship shows just how much pride went into building these classic 1920s vessels.